Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to share with you what came inside of my February Boss Bae box. Now, in case you're not familiar, Boss Bae is a monthly subscription company that is melanin friendly. It can be for anybody. It doesn't stop anybody from purchasing their subscription box because they have some really nice stuff inside, but it is geared towards my melanin sisters. So if you haven't already got one of these boxes, make sure to check down below in the description box because I have a code down there. If you use the word pretty, it'll get you 15% off of your first box. Now, I always urge that we support especially companies like this, smaller subscription companies that is trying to grow, because what I really like about this box is they like to take small companies that is trying to grow as well, and they use some of their products in this box. So you're not only supporting Boss Bae, you're also supporting a lot of other women or men that may have products that comes inside of this box. So that is why this box to me is extra special, and I really enjoy opening this for you guys every month. So without me doing too much talking, let me go ahead and get this open. So because it's February themed, the front card that you get, it says love on it. It's super cute. And then on the back it shows February, and it also tells you about the products that are in the box as far as you know, what they are used for, how you can use them, and it also tells you the price, the retail value for each item. And I cannot help but to mention that extra little touch that they put in the box this month. It was super cute. They filled it with a bunch of little chocolate Hershey Kisses. So I thought that was super cute. So I'm just gonna dig in and show you guys what came in my box. And the first thing that I see, honey, you guys know I love me a cup. So the first thing I see is this cup right here, and it says Slay Girl Slay. Super cute, and it's white with the gold writing. You guys know I love gold. And it has the pink top, and then it also has the thing on the top that slides back and forth. So if you're writing, you want to shut it so that you don't, you know, in case it tips over and you spill it. And so this is, let me tell you, this cup is by Effie's Paper Slay Girl Slay travel mug, and it retails for $20. This is super cute. Love this. And so this will be in February's box. The next thing that I pulled out is this right here, and it is a detox tea. It says experience a sweet earthy tea that balances the mind and the body. It's 100% organic ginger, lemongrass, dandelion, and tulsi. And so I'm not really familiar with this company. However, it looks very interesting. I can't wait to try this. What I will say is I'm excited by is the dandelion in here. I just recently purchased some dandelion tea because I heard a lot of good things about dandelion, especially as you get older. If you don't know about it, then try reading up on it. But I heard it was really good. So it's in here, and I'm excited to try this out. This retails for $9, and it says loose leaf tea made from the products that I already mentioned, organic ginger, lemongrass, and it's for balancing mind and body, a great alternative to coffee or when you want to mix up your morning brew. So this is in here, and I'm definitely going to try this out using my little loose leaf tea thingy that I had just purchased from Daiso. So I'm happy this came. Ooh, the next thing I see is this candle, and it's Posh Candle Company, and it says cozy under a blanket, and it's blue. It says blackberries and linen. That is a combination that I don't think I've ever heard of, blackberries and linen. To me, blackberries is sweet, and then linen, it has that fresh scent to it. So let's see what this smells like. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. It smells like something, I don't know, you know what, it smells kind of like sweet tart candies. You know, that sweet and tangy type of I don't know. I can't wait to burn this because I love candles. But that smells really good. And it just has that, it has a really sweet kind of fragrance that I really like. And that definitely has to be the blackberries in it. And it says this retails for $9. It says cozy up to warm blackberries and fresh linen that will totally lift your mood. It's like a big warm blanket hug. So this will be being used today. So I pulled out this next item, and what I couldn't help but notice is that I received 7 items in this box, and normally you get like between 4 and 5 with other subscription companies. I couldn't say that, but I got 7, so that's really nice. So this is a hydrating floral mist. It says lightweight active skin toner, and it's by, I believe that company says Feel, let me make sure, but it says refreshed on it. It says Feel Refreshed Hydrating Floral Mist, retails for $26. It minimizes pores, tones, and tightens skin. It has a combination of 10 natural extracts for natural hydrating, bioidentical hyaluronic acid for deep hydration. But anyways, it says use anytime, anywhere on top of makeup or to set it, or on clean skin. You will notice your skin feeling immediately more toned. Take 10 minutes off and mist 3 to 4 sprays onto face and neck for amazing hydration and glowing skin. This has many different ways you can use it, and I don't never really use skin toners. I've never used one actually. So I'm going to try this one out. This is what the bottle looks like. I'm going to try this one out and see if I like it and how it works for me. I've mentioned before that to me less is more. So I don't really use a whole lot of facial products, but I'm definitely going to give this a try. The next thing I pulled out is by Manna Kadar, and it is a precision perfect eyeliner. And I keep hearing about Manna Kadar. I don't have any products by them, so this is interesting, and I love eyeliner. So I'm excited to try this out, and let me tell you guys about this. It says jet black felt tip liner that glides on your lids to create your desired liner look, and it's formulated for long-lasting wear. This retails for $21. The next item is by Queen Kisses, and it is a lip scrub. It says all natural lip scrub. It contains coconut oil, sugar, honey, and essential oils for fragrance. I love a lip scrub. I love all kinds of exfoliant. So this is really nice. It says, of course you guys know what an exfoliator does. It removes dead skin to reveal, you know, a more nourished skin. And it says this will reveal the way kisses were meant to be experienced, and it retails for $10. And as they say, good things come in small packages. The last thing in here is this little dropper bottle, and it is Clear Skin Advanced Spot Treatment, and it comes with turmeric and calendula. And so this, it says, retails for $28. It says a concentrated, so that's why it's so small, because it's concentrated. It says concentrated blend of superior botanicals, targets the appearance of spots for a brighter, revitalized complexion. 1 drop is all you need to rejuvenate your skin. So another product that I'll have to give a try. I know it looks like it probably will be really nice. So we will be trying this out as well. Okay, you guys, so that's everything inside of my Boss Bae box. Let me know what you feel like your favorite product in this box would be if you were to get this month's box. And if you haven't, like I said, go ahead and use my code. Even if you try it out one time, from what I do know on their site is they not only carry a regular size box like this one. I think they have a mini, yeah, she has a mini box that you can also get. So you have an option to choose the regular size box or the mini box, but whichever one you try out, make sure you use my code so you can get 15% off. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the products that came in this box, and I'll talk to you guys real soon in another video. Bye.